Hey, so today I want to take a quick look at Marshall's to see what they have in new for spring and summer home decor and furniture items. All right, so they had this right here. This is a set, but not a set because you buy the pieces separate. They have that little side table there. I believe you can use it as storage too. It was $60. And then they had this really pretty lounge chair right here. I like the color combo with the padding and then the wicker that it did have. I like the curve of it. It did, I believe, say it was foldable, so you can fold that down, but that was 130 for that. So you can make you like a nice little set. They had a ton of spring, summer home decor, cooking items, different things like that. This cute little patio set here. So this is a set. It comes together. So you'll get all three pieces. The table, you'll get the two chairs, and you get that for $300. And it comes with the little cushions on the chairs too to kind of have like the little egg shape. Thought that was cute. This is another set too, so you'll get all three pieces, the two chairs and the table for this one. It is $350 for this one. This table doesn't have any storage. I was trying to see if it lifted up and had some storage, but that's like a light color wicker. I like that one right there. This I think is a set. So I think you get the vase and you get the like sticks, twigs, all those pieces together for $40. Because I can't imagine the twigs themselves being $40. So I think you get the whole little setup there. They have a lot of cute little spring summer pillows. So if you have like a lake house, I don't have a lake house, but if you do have a lake house or you be by the lake, you might want to grab you one of these pillows. $20. They were real pretty, nice and neutral. These little spring, they had a ton of bird feeders. So I'm seeing a lot of bird feeders now. I don't know if I never paid attention before the bird feeders, but a lot now. So this one, $13, and it kind of has like a little mushroom shape. It comes in that pretty blue. I like the blue. I like the both for the combo. So if maybe space for both of them. This one right here, $10. This one is shaped like a little bird. So these all have the same kind of color. So $13 for the little bird shaped one. This planter I thought was pretty because it's like kind of like a mustardish color. $13 for that. These little mushroom decor pieces, you can put them outside in your yard or your garden. $15 for that. And that came in green too. This one kind of looks like a pear to me. It's a bird feeder too. $8 for that. This little cute turtle right here. And his yellow is kind of like neonish. But it is a yellow. $10 for that one right there. That interesting shaped mushroom, it's like a solar thing too. This bird feeder right here, $20. So yeah, a lot of cute little outdoor items. Of course, the spring summer color bake sets. I think it's so cute how they put out the colored type bake sets for different seasons and stuff. I think it's cute. I don't know. So they have a lot of different shape ones, and these are like the silicone molds, so you could just pop those out. And that one right there, $7. This one right here with little like bees, like it's like a bee comb, and that one is $8 for that. This one right here, okay, so $13, and you get all of these little molds. You can make little tiny cakes and stuff. So you could yeah, I don't know if that was like a play set, but I think it's an actual baking set. This one right here, $8 for this little set right here. This so just the blue I thought was pretty, so you can put your drinks and stuff in there. $10. And then they have clear options and stuff for storage. I thought the little leather handle on the top of that was cute. There, $7 for that one. So just a bunch of cute storage items. This is coming in a pack of 3, so you get all 3 of these in that size, or you can get a set of 2, and 2 are taller, so $10 for that. You can mix and match, store your things on your counter. I thought this would be a cute storage option. If you leave your things out on your counter, $10, not bad at all. I like this fruit basket. I wish it had two tiers. It only has the one, but I like the black and gold combo. If you are a coffee drinker, they have these all the time, but $8. Grab yourself a hand frother. I have the one like in the other box. It came with my Nespresso. It's a pain because you have to clean it out. The frother is easier to clean out, the hand one. So you grab yourself that, make yourself some good coffee drinks. Placemats, of course. We saw those other ones before. These I think are pretty too for spring. So you get a set of 4 for $13. This little oven apron or the little set right there, I thought that was cute, like spring summer colors. $20, and you get like all the pieces there in it. That's pretty. They still have out some items from Easter and stuff like that, but this is a cute little, you can use this all summer, spring, and it says hand painted. $13 hand painted. These, if you're looking for a storage for your pots, tops, and different things, grab one of these. It's nice and sturdy. So yeah, you can do like a Dollar Tree DIY and all that stuff, but those nice and sturdy, not bad price. These little neutral pieces, and this brand is like a popular brand. So if you know, you know, and you can get these little dish pieces and, do a little nice table setting and stuff with these. Not too bad price, $4, $5, for these. This cute little butter dish right here with the little like um jewel like top, $7, not bad. More cute little bowls. So the plain color ones are $4, and then with the little floral print on it, those are $5 for those. So you might want to grab those. This right here, again, some more patio pieces, but not a set. So you just get the chair, but it is a nice little shape to it for $50, and then you can max it with some other pieces. These I just think are pretty colors for spring, for summer. So the greens and the blues, and you can see they have them in different like shades. A lot of colored glass. I love colored glass. So $8 for that, and they have it in brown. They have it in the green. They have it in blue. Same thing with the elephants. So I saw those in green and in blue. $13 for those, and they have like a lot of little pretty raised details in those right there. So if you're looking for some new decor pieces to bring like some brightness into your home for the summer and spring, this was plastic, so that's good. So you don't have to worry about breaking it. I get nervous with glass sometimes. I love these things, and they had a little bright color. $13 for those. So yeah, you flip it over. I don't know how long that one goes for, but yeah, cute. I just think it's cute. This right here, so I just think that's nice and simple with the gold top, and it wasn't too bad price. So yeah, if you're looking for something to brighten up your home for the season, Marshalls has some nice pieces. This right here has a real nautical like look to it, like kind of like an octopus waves and stuff like that. $17 for those. This right here, so it's like a jewelry holder, or you could put your little earrings and different things in it. And at first I was worried it wasn't attached good. It is attached just fine. It comes in like a couple different shades. $17 for that. And it's just something different to have like on your vanity, or to hold your like your earrings and stuff at night. This right here, I couldn't find a price on it, but you get two of the drawers, I believe, and you can stack them. You can have them side by side. Just something interesting to put your jewelry in. Of course, they have the other options still. Lunch containers, change it up for the season, get something bright colored. So $6 for that little lunch bento box there. These little for like condiments, little snacks, different things like that. $8 for those. Those are good for travel too. These I thought was cute. 20 pieces. So I think it's like 10. So you get 10 containers, 10 tops. That'd be something cute to give to your friends for like to go and stuff like that. Barware. So I thought these were pretty right here. And they have other options too that you can grab. Ice pop makers, if you like to make ice pops and stuff like that, which is fun for the summer. $5 for those. And then they have like the taller, like regular skinny looking ones. $5 for that set right there. This little thing I thought was cute with the little honey. I always think like a little cute honey holder is cute. So $5 for that, not bad at all. And then some more little like snack storage options that you can grab. $6 for that set. And the colors are pretty. So these would be great to take on trips and stuff. So you might want to head over to Marshalls and see what yours has for this spring and summer options.